Let's look at this question. They're saying referring to the diagram, this is my diagram. The perimeter, find the perimeter of the shaded region when theta is 0.8. So I have to find the perimeter of the shaded region. This is the shaded region. That means I have to find the length of this and I have to find the length of this part to give my perimeter of the shaded region. So first let's find the length of the smaller part. I know my length of the arc and my theta is given to me as 0.8 rad. My length of the arc is r theta. Okay, I will name this as length of the arc 1. So the radius would be 3 centimeter and theta is 0.8. So the length of the first part would be 3 into 0.8. This is 4. Let's look at the length of the second part. It would be r theta. My theta is 0.8, but when I look at the r over here, it will be 3 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, which is nothing but 5 centimeter. So length of arc 2 would be 5 into 0.8. 5 into 0.8 is nothing but it is 4 centimeter. So I would say my length of the first arc is 2.4 centimeter and length of the second arc is the length 2 is 4 centimeter. Now I want to find the perimeter of the shaded region. To find the perimeter of the shaded region, I will just add all the 4 parts together, that is 2. Let's take over here on the calculator. That is 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2.4. So the perimeter is 10.4 centimeter. So the perimeter of the shaded region is nothing but 10.4 centimeter. I have done my A part. Now let's look at the B part. They are telling me find theta when the perimeter of the shaded region is 14 centimeter. And they have asked me to find theta. I know my length of the arc is nothing but it is r theta. Perimeter of the shaded region is nothing but it is 14 centimeter. Perimeter of the shaded region is 14 centimeter. I will look at the radius over here. My radius is not going to change. My radius is 5 centimeter. I want to find theta. In the B part, they have asked me to find the value of theta when the perimeter of the shaded region is 14 centimeter. So we would write with whatever we are given, and I would say the perimeter of the shaded region. The perimeter of my shaded region is nothing but it is 14 centimeter. Now if I look at the shaded region, that is this part. This part has the first arc, this one, which I could name it or label it as L1. And it has the second arc, this one, which I could label as L2. And it has one radius of 2 and one radius of 2. So the perimeter of the shaded region would be the length of arc 1 plus my length of arc 2 plus 2 centimeter, which is over here, and plus the other 2 centimeter, which is over here. So plus 2 and plus 2 would make it 14 centimeter. I would write length of the arc 1 is nothing but it is r theta, and I would label this as r1. Length of the arc 2, that means I'm referring to the bigger arc. It is nothing but it is r theta, and I would label the second arc as r2 and theta. I will add this 2 plus 2, which makes it 4, and it becomes 14. Okay. Now what will I do? I will minus 4 from both the sides. So I have R1. If you could see, your radius 1 is 3 centimeter. So I would write 3 theta, and the radius 2 for the bigger arc L2 is 3 plus 2, that is 5 centimeter. So in place of radius 2, I will write 5 theta. And since I am deducting 4 from both the sides, minus 4 and minus 4, so this would go away, and I will be left with 3 theta plus 5 theta is equal to 10. I would remove theta in common, and I would put over here 3 plus 5, or alternatively, I can do 5 theta plus 3 theta is nothing but it is 8 theta is equal to 10. So I want to find theta. So theta would be 10 divided by 8, and it is nothing but 10 divided by 8. So theta is 5 over 4, or I could say 1.25 rad. So I got the value of my theta.